Hello, grade 9. How are you? This is Batul, an English teacher from the Qari School. So, in the previous lesson, we have read the text about crime scenes, and in this lesson, we're gonna read the summary and the main ideas of the text in general. So, let's get started. Summary: crime scene investigations, known as forensics, involves analyzing evidence left behind after a crime to uncover details including the identity of the criminal. Skilled investigators meticulously examine every aspect of the crime scene to understand the incident thoroughly. Forensic science utilizes scientific methods to solve crimes and is applied to any science related to law issues. Forensic scientists study various evidence at the scene, relying on physical evidence as it is more reliable than eyewitness accounts. Investigators gather information from witnesses, including victims, but challenges arise due to potential memory inaccuracies. The text emphasizes the significance of physical evidence in proving a more dependable source of information in crime scene analysis. The text outlines various types of evidence that can be present at a crime scene, including fibers, glass, chemicals, soil, drugs, tire tracks, footprints, bullets, plants, handwriting, fingerprints, liquid, blood, hair, and DNA. It emphasizes that this list is not exhaustive, indicating a broad range of items for forensic scientists to study. DNA DNA serves as a unique identifier containing details about an individual's appearance and characteristics. DNA can be collected from the inside of a person's cheek or their blood in forensic investigations. Comparing DNA samples helps determine if they are from the same person, aiding in identification of or proving innocence. Fingerprints, ridges unique to each person, are left behind when a person touches the surface. Forensic investigators collect fingerprints using special powder and tape, and specialists evaluate the small curves to determine similarity. DNA is a valuable tool in crime solving, and its use in forensic investigations has been regular since the 20th century. Okay, we have done the summary of the whole text. Now let's read the vocabulary, the new words of the text. Let's start with the first one, forensic. So forensics is a noun. It's the science of solving crimes. Forensics, the science of solving crimes. Evidence, what's the meaning of evidence? Evidence is also a noun. They are facts or physical signs that help to prove something. And the adjective of evidence is evident. It means obvious. Authority. What's the meaning of authority? Authority is a noun. It's the moral or legal right or ability to control a person or people who have the moral or legal right or ability to control. Authorize is the verb of authority. Authorize means to give, this is authorize, it means to give someone the moral or legal right or ability to control. Now next, intention. What's the meaning of intention? So the verb is intend. Intend means to plan to do something. The verb intend means to plan to do something. Intention is a noun. It means something you plan to do. Something you plan to do. Intentional is an adjective or is the adjective of the word intention, which means the opposite of accidental. Intentionally is the adverb. What's the meaning of intentionally? It means doing something on purpose. So we have the verb of intention, which is intend, the noun intention, the adjective intentional, and the adverb intentional. Now the word witness. Witness as a verb, it means to see something like a contract, accident, or a crime. And witness as a noun, it means a person who sees an event happening, especially a crime or an accident. And the word victim, what's the meaning of victim? Victim is a noun, it means someone who has been wronged. Victimize is the verb of the word victim, which means to wrong someone. So the noun means someone who has been wronged, and victimize means to wrong someone. Rely, what's the meaning of rely? Rely is a verb and it means to trust or depend on someone or something. Reliable is the adjective and it means can be relied on. Reliability means being someone or something that people can rely on. So we have rely, reliability, and reliable. Identity. What's the meaning of identity? Identity as a noun means who someone is. Who someone is. Identify is the verb and it means to find out who or what someone or something is, to state who or what someone or something is. Identification is the noun and it means the act of identifying a passport or the like that proves who someone is. So we have identity, which is a noun, identify is a verb, and identification is also a noun. And the last word, which is involve. Involve is a verb. It means to engage or include something. Involvement is the act of involving, doing something with someone, usually negotiations. So it means the act of involving, doing something with someone, usually negotiations. Involvement is the noun and involve is a verb. So again, let's read them. Forensic, evidence, authority, intention, witness, victim, rely, identity, involve. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.